Hello guys, I am Somdik today. Welcome to our channel Somdecoder. Today here we will see whether a number is a buzz or not in Python. What is a buzz number? A buzz number is a number which is divisible by 7 or the last number of that digit is 7. For example, see over here 21 is a buzz number because 21 is divisible by 7. But 27 also a buzz number because 27 is a buzz number because the last digit of that number is 7, and 21 is also a buzz number because it is divisible by 7. Now what should be the code? Now let's see. We will take a variable and you can take, if you want, other variable input. Now I will apply if and tell statement. If n mod 7 is equal to 0, which means if n is divisible or not, or the n mod 10 is equal to 7. Print the number is a buzz number else print the number is not a buzz number. Now let's see what is happening in the program. First, the machine will ask what to enter a number to the user with displaying this message. If the user entered a buzz number, for example 77, it will check 77 is divisible by 7. Yes, it is divisible by 2. Okay, the condition becomes true. It will again check it is 7. Yes, it will true. Then it will print a buzz number. Okay, if it display 21, the user input 21, then it will check it is divisible by, yes, true. It is not. But in OR function, we know if any one of the condition is true, the whole answer will be true. Then it will print this. If the user in 22, it is nor divisible by 7 nor the last number of the digit is 7, so it will print that number. So let's run the program and check it. I am entering a buzz number. 237 is a buzz number. It should see it is a buzz number. What if I enter a non-buzz number? Means, for example, 5689. It will be not a buzz number. Hope this video is useful to you guys. So please like, share and subscribe for more amazing videos in future. Thank you.